The Earth is Mostly Ocean is the title of our book that I'm going to read for you today, written by Allan Fowler. On a map or a globe of the Earth, the blue parts are water. The other colors are land. You can see that there is a lot more blue than all the other colors put together. That's because most of the Earth is covered by water, the oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest, the Atlantic is next, and then the Indian Ocean. The Arctic Ocean surrounds the North Pole. Much of its surface water is frozen into ice. The word sea is sometimes used instead of ocean, but sea may also mean a certain part of an ocean. For example, the Caribbean Sea is part of the Atlantic Ocean. If you've ever gone swimming at an ocean beach, maybe you noticed that the water tasted salty. All ocean water has salt in it. Water in lakes and rivers is not salty. We call it fresh water. At one place, the Mariana Trench, the ocean floor is almost 7 miles below the surface. You could put the highest mountain on Earth in the Mariana Trench, and it would be completely underwater. Mount Everest is 29,028 feet above the sea level, and Mariana Trench is 36,056 feet deep below the sea level. That's why Mount Everest would be completely underwater. Most of the ocean bottom or floor is about 2.25 to 3.5 miles deep and flat. But like the surface of the Earth, it also has canyons and mountains, even volcanoes. Regular changes in the level of ocean water are called tides. Here is a beach at low tide and the same beach at high tide. The water has risen and covers more of the sand. On most coasts, about 12.5 hours pass between one high tide and the next. What causes tides? The moon and the sun. They actually pull the ocean waters toward them. The moon's pull is stronger because it's much closer to Earth than the sun is. Life in the oceans takes many forms. Some of them seem very strange. There are animals that look more like plants. Animals that live in shells. Animals you can see through. They share the ocean waters with fish, thousands and thousands of kinds. With marine mammals such as whales and dolphins. Oceanographers are scientists who study the oceans. Some of them explore the depths in submersibles like this one. Even when it's too deep for humans to go, submersibles are used with no people on them. These probes have video cameras that send pictures to the ships above. There is still much to learn about the oceans. It has been said that we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the floor of our Earth's own oceans. Words to know: map, globe, ocean floor. Low tide, high tide, submersible, and ocean life. The end.